18-year-old Ethan Walker never believed in destiny. Most of his choices were simple: school, basketball, late-night gaming. But one rainy afternoon, while biking home from the gym, a car slid on the wet road and clipped him. Nothing fatal, just a broken wrist, bruises, a concussion. But it was enough to land him in St. Mary's Hospital overnight. He thought the night would be boring. He didn't know his life was about to change. At midnight, Ethan couldn't sleep. The hallway was quiet, except for the soft beep of a monitor from the room across his. He walked past and saw a girl sitting up in her bed, sketching something.
Can't sleep?
Not really. You?
I don't really sleep much anymore.
Her name was Lila Moore. She had an incurable heart condition, diagnosed 2 years ago. Doctors said they could slow it, but they couldn't stop it, and now time was running out. But she didn't talk like someone who is dying. She talked like someone desperately trying to live. Ethan stayed for 3 days for observation. Every day, he visited Lila. They played cards. They made fun of the terrible hospital food. They sat by the window at sunrise, watching the sky turn gold.
Are you scared of anything, Ethan?
Yeah. Losing people.
I'm scared of being forgotten.
I won't forget you.
Always wanted to fall in love. Just once. Just to know how it feels.
You are loved by me.
I wish I met you earlier. I wish we had more time.
I don't care how much time we have. I just care that I talk to me.
Lila's condition worsened that night. The machines beeped faster. Doctors rushed in. Ethan waited outside, hands shaking, praying for a miracle. By morning, they allowed him in.
You came.
I'll always come.
Can we watch one more sunrise?
It's beautiful.
So are you.
Months passed. Ethan returned to school, to life, to routine, but he wasn't the same. Some nights, he would ride his bike to the hospital and sit on the bench outside, watching the sunrise alone. He carried her sketchbook with him everywhere, filled with drawings of the sky, dreams she never got to live, and one labeled, Ethan, the boy who made me feel alive. He kept his promise. He never forgot her, and he never will.
Everyone is talking about how to make horror movies with AI, or how to make sci-fi, cyberpunk, thriller, monster videos with AI, but nobody's talking about this. Nobody's talking about how to make a love story with AI. Maybe because true love is kind of hard to find now, right? But don't worry, today we're going to change that. In this video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful, emotional, cinematic AI love story, step by step, even if you've never made a movie before. Step 1. Creating the love story idea. A great love story always starts with a great idea. My story today is called The Room Across the Hall. It's about an 18-year-old boy who meets a girl in a hospital, a girl who knows she doesn't have much time left. You can ask any AI writer like ChatGPT, Claude, or Grok to help you write your own emotional love story. Just tell it what style you want: Hollywood romance, sad emotional love, teenage first love, or even a fantasy romance.
Step 2. Create the scenes with AI Image Generator. Next, we bring the story to life using AI images. You can use tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Runway, or Stable Diffusion. Step 3. Generate images for each scene. I created 12 key scenes, like a movie storyboard. Accident scene, hospital room, their first conversation, their first sunrise together, and the final emotional goodbye. Keep your characters consistent. Use similar descriptions for hair, clothes, age, and lighting. This makes the whole movie feel like real cinema. Step 4. Turning images into video. Important warning. Now it's time to turn our images into moving video. For this project, I used Google's Opal and Grok AI. Both are super easy to use and very powerful. But let me be completely honest with you. When I tried to animate certain scenes, especially the accident scene or the hospital scenes, Google Opal refused to generate them. Why? Because Opal has very strict safety filters. If your prompt includes accident scenes, hospital, medical bed, young girl, or anything emotional and realistic, Opal will block it. So don't panic if you get errors. It's not you, it's just Google being Google. I also tested the same images on Grok AI, and I faced similar problems. Grok also stops generating if your scene looks too realistic or sensitive. Accidents, hospitals, teenagers, all of these trigger warnings in both tools. So here's my tip. When you animate emotional scenes, keep your prompts very soft. Use words like cinematic movement, gentle camera motion, soft zoom, warm lighting, peaceful environment, and avoid words like accident, injury, hospital, or girl. If you still can't generate the clip, don't worry. Just animate the safe scenes like sunrise, windows, hands holding, and use your static images for the sensitive moments. Your story will still feel beautiful and cinematic. This is something nobody tells you in any AI tutorial, so I wanted to warn you before you waste hours trying to animate a blocked prompt.
Step
5. Add voiceover narration. Love stories feel best with warm narration. Use 11 Labs or even your own voice to tell the story.
Are you scared of
Speak
anything,
softly,
Ethan?
slow down the pacing, let the emotions settle.
I'm scared of
Step
being
6.
forgotten.
Add music and sound design. Music is everything. Use soft piano, violins, emotional ambient pads. No jump scares, no heavy beats. Just something that feels warm and nostalgic. Step 7. Edit everything together. Now, take your animated clips, your narration, your music, and edit them in CapCut or Premiere Pro. Keep transitions gentle. Fade in, fade out. Slow zooms. Let every moment breathe, just like a real Hollywood romance. Step 8. Export your AI love story. Now your love story movie is ready. A complete cinematic short film made entirely with AI. If you want the full prompts for this video, or if you want me to create more AI love stories, just comment below and tell me your idea. And remember, even if love is hard to find out there, you can still create beautiful love stories in here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next AI movie tutorial.